Okay, today we have a new road bike that we are going to check the sound check of the rear hub. This one it is DT switch with a Vitegra rear derailleur and a rear derailleur cassette. And here you see the hub, the rear hub. It is DT switch, spline, ratchet system. Okay, let's check it sound all together. Okay, now you heard the sound it already, and also for the sound when it is on the road bike, it is different from the mountain bike, and then they will always changing with this cassette material also. So next time if I see with this one, I will explain you what are different between the sound on the road bike cassette and MTB cassette. And also they change the different sound between Vitegra, also Dora Egg or 105. Also they give a different sound to the rear hub also. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more on the sound check on the bike.